Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria, and today's Latinx music is about the country of Argentina, which I'm going to try to be as unbiased as I can be since I'm Argentino. So if you're not familiar with the country, it's actually located on the southern part of South America, and its capital is Buenos Aires. Random fact about Buenos Aires, the presidential residence or palace of the president of the country is called La Casa Rosada, which is translated to the pink house because the building is literally a soft shade of pink. I forgot what the reason why. It's kind of the stone that was used or something. Um, so we also have the world's best soccer team. Okay, that's a little biased. Just kidding. Football is king in Argentina, just like in most of the world. So a little bit about, if you're on this journey of cultural humility and you ever work with an Argentino and you start learning more about Argentina and living there, visiting there, or working there, the home of most Argentinos are actually built around food, just like most other countries and cultures, right? Most Argentine homes have an outdoor parrilla built, which is a large outdoor grill for grilling, for barbecuing. And literally you throw every part of the cow imaginable on there because it's always a meat forward dish. Argentinos love their beef, love their meat. It's an old stereotypical joke about becoming vegetarian in movies, but I literally, when I was younger, wanted to try being vegetarian, and my parents were like, "Oh, that's cool. We made chicken," like literally. So, um, but it's usually a meat forward dish. Another unique aspect about being Argentino that you'll learn is, like most other Spanish speaking countries, there are different dialects, different phrases that are unique to the countries. The most notable one is che, which just means literally hey. And Argentinos use it a lot in sentences and in discussions and conversations. So, like, che, pibe, ¿cómo estás? Ay, che, look at me, like, I'm over here, like, che, ven, you know. So it's so common that if you know the historical, famous, or infamous, however you want to perceive them, Che Guevara, his government name was Ernesto. He was nicknamed Che because he was born in Argentina, and the people that he was always around found that phrase so foreign because it's so unique to being Argentino that people just started calling him Che. So it's a unique fact right there. So the next card in Millennial Loteria is El Food Porn. El Food Porn, y'all. So mark it on your boards. If anybody does post any food porn on their Instagram because they cook so much, let us know. Tag us at ODEI TXSU. We'd love to see what you're cooking, y'all. So, El Food Porn. Ciao.